up
Do you need
there.
some help getting that one down?
There's a surprise up there.
What? Where?
They're behind you.
Where?
Up there.
I don't see it.
Daddy, right there.
Over here?
No, look up. That.
Oh, what's that?
Take a picture of it.
Okay.
It's okay. Aaron, you want to get that big egg down?
Sure. I can get that. Got it.
All right, is that all of them?
Georgie's eating candy, huh?
You can have a piece too, Aaron.
Drew loves candy.
Is that all of them? Nice one. Alright. Is there any on the other side? Oh, candy in there too. Nice. Mm-hmm.
Ooh, look. It's my broken egg.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I can't believe it.
What is it?
Egg!
Whoa.
It's a golden egg.
Mm-hmm.
What's in there?
Okay. Here we go. Race car!
Wow.
Another egg! Another race car!
George wants more candy.
No more candy for George.
Ooh! Football!
Ooh, what are those?
Football! Ooh, what are these?
Big bubbles.
Which ball one?
Let's blow them outside, okay? What else you got in that basket?
Here, Dad.
Okay. Well, we'll definitely play with that later, right?
Ooh!
Nice. Who's on the cup?
Bubble puppy!
All right.
Gil! Molly! Fish!
Awesome.
Ooh, you're going up there!
Where?
Up there!
Let's get it.
No one up there! With
Okay.
starfish!
Okay, let's grab it.
Look at that right there.
Oh.
Ooh!
What is that?
Race car!
Wow.